Una, magkaroon ng mas accessible at murang pagkukunan ng medical cannabis ang mga pasyente na hindi po nagmumukhang drug addict yung mga pasyente, na pati po yung mga magulang ng mga batang ito ay hirap na hirap humanap kung saan sila kukuha na may kasamang pagkatakot na baka sila'y mahuli. Nakakaawa po. At pangalawa, maaaring kumita ang gobyerno mula sa buwis para gamitin sa makabuluhang serbisyo publiko. Sa ibang mga bansa, ang buwis mula sa medical marijuana ay ginagamit para sa mga pampublikong paaralan. Tulad sa Oklahoma, 38.5 milyong dolyar mula sa naipong medical marijuana tax ang ginamit para magpatayo ng school buildings para sa mahihirap na distrito. Sa ibang estado naman tulad sa Arizona, bukod sa pondong mapupunta sa edukasyon, hinahati-hati rin ang buwis mula sa medical marijuana para sa pondo ng mga lalawigan at syudad ng estado.
Everyone, my name is Pierce Alan Manuel. Today I'll be making a critic video of Robin Padilla's statement about the legality of medical marijuana. While all things have two sides, there is good and bad side. In Robin Padilla's statement, medical marijuana will use in good ways and have good benefits on it. But in my perspectives, I took the bad side to criticize it, because some people will take it as advantage to use it in illegal ways. If that is implemented, more addicts will use it and there will be more people who will become addicts, and it will only end up in a bad way. It's not even legal yet. There are already many addicts in our country. So if it becomes legal, there will be more cases about the prohibited use of marijuana. Well, for some of you who doesn't know about the marijuana is a mind-altering drug produced by the cannabis sativa plant. The dried leaves and flowering tops of the cannabis sativa or cannabis indica plant. Marijuana contains chemicals called cannabinoids that cause drug-like effects all through the body, including the nervous system and the immune system. According to my research in Dangerous Drug Board in the Philippines, the total stats of addiction in cannabis or marijuana is at 28.25%. So for me, this is not a well-recommended drug to use, especially in our country of a lot of drug addicts. That's all for my critic video. Thank you.